What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Father and Son Sports Cards. Today we have a quick one for you. We have a eBay purchase mystery pack. So we should have a graded card, some rookies, Relic, possibly an auto. So let's go ahead and rip into this and see what we get. If you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, I'd appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button and drop a like, leave a comment, tell me what you think, what do you like to see. Alright, so let's see, we've got pack here and there's the graded card. Alright, so let's do pack first, we'll leave that there. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel. This has been a lot of fun. Alright, we have here Brandon Lowe, Carlos Correa, Jose Barrios, Trey Mancini, Tyler Glasnow, Eric Hosmer, Zach Greinke, Hall of Famer Greg Maddux, we got here Noah Syndergaard, Topps Gallery, Steven Strasburg. Alright, I like this one for my collection. Ian Anderson, rookie card, Atlanta Braves. Alright, we have a Bowman first, Matt Mikulski, pitcher for the Giants. Jarred Kelenic, Mariners. We have Johnny Bench, Hall of Famer, numbered 161 out of 250. Okay. Johnny, you get to go up here. Got a little... It's a nice card. Alright, we have a Relic, Teoscar Hernandez. And we have an auto, Joe Palumbo. Never heard of you, buddy. But we got a sticker auto of Joe Palumbo. 21 Panini. Okay, plays for the Texas Rangers. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we have here for our graded card. Is it... Okay. Alright, what do we have here? ISA Bowman Draft, 2017 Bowman Draft, Zach Kirtley. It is a 10. Oh, okay. Bowman Chrome first. Auto, Zach Kirtley. Okay. I have to look him up and see if he's still playing. I'm not familiar with this player, but nice auto. It's a Bowman first. Chrome. Okay. Alright. Nice simple video today. Just got a few cards in here. A few rookies. Jarred Kelenic, Ian Anderson, the great catcher, Hall of Famer, Johnny Bench. And we've got an ISA Gem Mint 10, Bowman Chrome first, Zach Kirtley. So, thank you everybody for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll get notified for all the videos we upload. Thank you again for your support, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.